I have thought is what I have thought is see first one is what is that current. What is current? What is current? Tell me, I have to thought you. Current is equal to what is that current? Current is equal to tell me. Current is equal to current is equal. Tell me.
Q by
I is equal to
R by
plus R2 plus R2.
charge by
Time.
time is equal. Charge is equal to what is that?
yeah, by
Charge is equal to what that?
Coulombs.
Coulomb by second. Coulomb by second is the Coulomb by the. Don't look at that. Coulomb by the second current. What is the Coulomb? Coulomb is how many? Coulomb is equal to 1.62 into 10 to the power of minus plus. Already I have told. Plus 18 electrons. Plus 18 electrons. Next what is that current? Next I have taught you voltage. Voltage is equal to what is that? Voltage is equal to what is that? Write down voltage is equal to V is equal to work by charge is equal to joule by second. Joule by second. Joule by joule by coulombs. Joule by coulombs. See here. Listen it. From one point in current is equal to nothing but a flow of electron charges. Write down. Current is equal to flow of electron charges. Flow of electron charges. Write down, Pranave. Flow of electron charges. Here the charges are there. It flows for 1 second 1.62 into 10 to the power of 8 electrons to cross 1 point. To cross 1 point. That is current. That is also unit is ampere. This is ampere also called. That is we have learned it. Next one is voltage. What is voltage? Voltage is nothing but a pressure of electron charges. Right or no? Voltage is nothing but a right or voltage. Current to next voltage. What is voltage? Voltage is nothing but a pressure of electron charges to move from one point to another point to one point to what is that? Joule per coulomb. One coulomb it what is that? Work by charge. A work is done by the electrons from moving one point to another point to positive charge. What does it move? It moves positive charge. That is also work. That is also work. We are moving here. We will get some working done. That is the work. One point to another point. That is also called potential difference or voltage. What is that voltage? Because of the pressure of the electrons, the potential difference is formed from low potentiality to high potentiality. What does do? Electrons move. One coulomb electrons move one lower point to higher point. That is in 1 second. 1 joule work is done in 1 second. That is voltage. Next I am going to teach very important resistance. What is that? Resistance. Resistance is equal to, here we will have to see 5 factors. How many factors? 5 factors. Write down 5 factors. 5 factors. What are they? Write down. For resistance, who might have observed, write down in examination you will have to. For resistance, what is the meaning of resistance? The material, write down resistance. Resistance definition. The material which resists, write down, dictate the resistance which resists. Resist means which opposes. Resists. In the name itself, the function has which resists electron charges. Which resists electron charges for 1 second or per minute per hour is called resistance. is called resistance. For resistance, there are how many factors? 4 factors are there. For resistance, there are 4 factors are there. For resistance, there are 4 factors. There are, write down, there are 4 factors. For resistance, there are 4 factors. Write down, I will check it out. 4 factors. First one is temperature. There are 4 factors. First one is temperature. First one is temperature. Second one is material. Nature of material. Material nature. Right, don't go. Third one is length of material. Length of material. Fourth one is area section. Area of section area. Area of sectional conductor. Section conductor. Section of conductor. Section of conductor. That is area. How many factors we will have to observe? There are 4 factors. In our textbook you have 4 activities. One by one. See, I can tell you to simple way. First one is what is that? Temperature. How do you get temperature? If you know, you must know on table. What is the table? First you have to do diagram. What is diagram? Ohm's law diagram you must write for temperature. Here this is the diagram. Here battery means combination of the cells are here given. Combination of cells are here. Combination of cells is the battery. This is battery. Here it is switch. Here you have to put what is that? Volt. Here you have to put volt. Then here you will have to give some gap. Draw this figure. First, how do you know the temperature of the conductor or material? Temperature of the wire. What is that? First activity. This is what you know. First you will have to switch on it. Then after some time you will know the temperature of the material. The temperature of the initially is very low. Write down the temperature of the material is very low. Write down. The activities will be given. The temperature of the material will be very less in the first. After a few minutes, the temperature of the material will be increased. By seeing the observations of what are the table here, you draw it. What is the observations? What are the Ohm's law? Ohm's law, you know that. What is that? That is Ohm's law. First write down. What is that first? Serial 1, serial 2 will have to write in textbook also it is given. Serial 1, serial 2. What is that? 1, 2, 3 times if you observe this you can get it. What is that? First one is I current. Next one is V. V by I is equal to what is that? V by I is equal to, that is R. Resistance. If you first time you can get to less heat. Second time you will get to the temperature will be more in the conductor. If you take here 5, what is that? If you take suppose I is 10 and voltage is 2, then you get to 5. Then you get to 5. Then if the temperature Y is 20, then voltage is 4, then you will get the I. Our resistance is always constant. Resistance is always constant. That is the first temperature activity. What is that? First temperature activity. You will have to see that activity. The more the temperature, the more the resistance. Write down the more the temperature, the more the resistance in the wire or conductor. The more the resistance, the more the temperature in a conductor. The more the resistance, the more the resistance, the more the temperature. The more the temperature, the more the resistance. First one is if you increase temperature, the resistance also increase. Put that 2 marks. This is resistor. What is that? Temperature. This is temperature. Resistance also increase. The next one is have you written or not? Write down now. Write and note it the points. Very important for understanding the LCD lesson. Unless until you concentrate, you can't get it the marks. So next one is this is first activity. This is first activity. First activity. This is temperature. This is temperature. This is temperature. And thus next second one is right to do. There is a battery. There is a battery and there is a switch. Here is a switch. Then write. Then write second activity. We'll have to observe it. What is there here? Put it in voltage here. Here put it here. It you will have to put. You will have to put ammeter. Here you will have to put ammeter. And then you will have to know how by the readings you can get easily the answer. And next here also ammeter. This is ammeter. This is voltmeter. What is this? This is voltmeter. Here you can by changing here materials. First you will have to put your necklace in this point to this point, gold necklace. Next you observe that again we observe that these readings. What are the readings? What are the readings? Readings, what are those? Readings, what are those? Next also draw it. Next also draw it, same figure. Write same figure. What is that? Readings are first one, first read it, 1. 1. Next V by V and V by IR is equal to. Here what you observe? What you observe? First one is AG. Next one is CU. What will happen now? There is a difference in the material nature. Age can allow more electrons than copper. Age means silver can allow more electrons. Write down, silver can allow more electrons than copper and gold. Copper and gold. That's why it is the best for electricity to pass on electrical charges from one places to other. Different materials allow different way electron charges. Different materials depend upon electron charges movement depend upon different materials. Here silver is 1.59 into 10 to the power of 8. Copper is 1.6 into 10 to the power of 8. Resistivity. This is the resistivity. And nichrome is more. It doesn't have more than silver. 1.8 into 10 to the power of 6. That is tungsten is more than nichrome also. Here in this way you will have to observe. You will have to observe this is 10, this is 2. Here the resistance is different there. Here this is suppose 3 ohms or 5 ohms. 5 ohms. Here 18. This is by 6 different ohms. That is the, what is that? This is material nature. What is this? Material nature. Material nature depends. Different materials give allow different way the electron charges. That is the major factor in what are the wires which are used on the electrical board? What are the materials which are used nowadays? What is the not copper nowadays? What is used? Aluminum is used nowadays. Olden days it is used, copper is used. Because of the cost nowadays, what is used? Aluminum is used. Why? Because of more cost. That's why gold is also cost more. That's why it is not used. Nowadays, in houses copper is used. Outside on poles, aluminum is used. Next one is, what is the factor? Tell me. Next one is, tell me what is the factor? Length of material. Here what happens to tell me? Material natures is material natures. What is that? Silver. Silver is less than silver. Ag is less than copper. Copper resistivity. Copper can Ag resistivity is less than. Next, length of material. The more the length, write down. The more the length, the more the resistance. 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 The more the length, the more the length, the more the resistance. The more the resistance. The more the resistance. Write down resistance. Means the resistance depends upon, right? The resistance depends upon the length of the wire. Write down. The resistance depends upon the length of the wire. The more the length, the more the resistance. Next factor is, what is in this way you have to observe. Here what is that? Suppose this is 10 meters. This is 10 meters. This is 20 meters. This is 10 meters. This is 20 meters. If you change here, if you change in the place of here wire, you can get 10 meters is less resistance than 20 meters. Than 20 meters. If you change here, what is this? First change that 10 meters. Next to 20 meters. Coil it under 20 meters. What happens? The resistance will be increased. It depends upon the more length. Temperature, that is the, what is that activity? This is the third one. This is the third. What is it? Depends upon the length of material. Length of material. Next one is area of sectional area of conductor or wire. Sectional area of conductor or wire. Sectional area of conductor or wire. The conductor is less sectional area. Less sectional area. Less sectional area. Here see it. Here the less sectional area. Draw it. If you don't draw, you can't remember it. All these four factors. Draw it for remembrance. Next one is more sectional area. Which one get more resistance? Tell me.